Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Firebase Firestore rules for secure data access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Firebase Firestore rules for secure data access, start by navigating to your Firebase project in the Firebase console. Click on the Firestore database option from the left sidebar. Next, select the Rules tab located at the top of the Firestore database section. You will see the default security rules that Firebase provides for your database. Carefully review the default rules to understand their structure and purpose. To create custom rules, you'll want to start with a set of basic rules that work for your project's requirements. For example, you can begin by allowing read and write access only to authenticated users. Type the following rule: servicecloud.firestore /databases/database/documents /document equals ***, allow read, write, if request.auth equals null. This rule ensures that only authenticated users can read or write data in your Firestore database. To refine your rules further, consider specifying more granular conditions based on your application's needs. You can restrict access to certain collections or documents by modifying the match expressions. For instance, if you have a collection named users, you could write match/user/user ID, allow read, write, if request.auth.ui. This modification allows users to access only their own documents in the user's collection. Remember to test your rules thoroughly to ensure they function as intended and do not inadvertently expose sensitive data. Firebase provides a tool called the Firestore Rules Simulator, which can help you test different scenarios. Access the simulator within the Rules tab by entering test user IDs and simulating read or write requests. Make adjustments to your rules based on the outcomes of your tests to enhance security. Once you're satisfied with your rules, click the Publish button to apply them. Your rules are now live, ensuring that your Firestore database remains secure while allowing appropriate access to users. Regularly revisit and update your Firestore security rules as your application evolves and new features are added. Stay informed about best practices and new features released by Firebase to keep your security measures current. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.